Oh. Hey my queens, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. Thank you so much for all your support, all of your love, all of the likes, comments, shares, and just thank you for tuning in every time I upload a video. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. Don't be shy. Comment down below. Let's get to know each other. Let's grow together. Let's stay in this journey together, because we're only going to grow together. So I would love any comments, any feedback that you have, to just leave it down below. So we got that out the way. So this week I'm coloring my hair, and I'm pretty nervous about it, but I'm coloring my hair. The last time I had color put in my hair was last May, and that's when I went to the Diva Curl Salon. It was last May. I did highlights, I did certain sections of my hair, and I put color in it, and that's the only time I ever put color on my natural hair. Now when I was relaxed, I got color, but it wasn't really color, it was like black. I would dye my hair black, so that don't really count. But other than that, the one only time that I put color on my hair is last May, and that grew out. There's a little bit left. So I've been going back and forth about coloring my hair for months now, and I just yesterday decided that I'm going to do it. So the brand that I have is Dark and Lovely, and I have Golden Brown. So I have the Dark and Lovely Golden Brown. This is the one that I have. So we are joined by Joy because she is
again. Hi guys.
She always colors her hair, so I'm gonna have her help me do this, because she's the one that convinced me just to do my whole head instead of just sections of the front. And yeah, we're going to get right into that. Oh, so my hair is in twists because I pre-pulled my hair earlier this morning, because I had to pre-pull my hair because I did not pre-pull last week. If you saw my video, it was one of my lazy wash days, so I did not pre-pull anything. So that's what I did today, and that's why my hair is in twists. So now we're going to color my hair. So it comes with these 3 things in the box. So step 1 is the Ultra Radiant Color Cream. That's step 1. And then we have, so it's the cream developer. That's step 2. And then we have step 3.
I like this conditioner. I use this brand like I think 3 different times, and this smells so good.
Alright. So just squeezing number 1 into number 2.
I be shake.
I want you all of myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want you all of myself.
So I'm going to come back in about 25-30 minutes, and we're going to see how it is, and then yeah, we're going to take it from there.
And at this moment, I knew that I screwed up.
Alright, so I'm always going to be honest with you guys. I'm always going to be transparent. So as you can see, my hair is still black or dark brown. Well, now it's darker than it was before. The color that I chose did not take at all, not even a little bit. And I rinsed it out, I shampooed my hair, and then I put rinse out conditioner in. I let it sit for like an hour, and then I rinsed it out, and then I put conditioner in again, and then I just left it in my head. And yeah, it is the next day now, and I'm going to try a different product in a different color. And disclaimer, note, if you do not feel comfortable doing this, do not dye your hair back to back. But because the first color that I used didn't take at all, I'm going to try a different color from a different brand, and hopefully it gives me the results that I need. But disclaimer and note, if you do not feel comfortable, do not dye your hair back to back. Go to a professional. This is just what I'm doing from my head. This is my head, so I'm choosing to do this. So now I'm going to use the Cream of Nature, their Argan Oil hair color, and we're going to see how that turns out. So again, this is the following day from when I first initially attempted to color my hair. So this is the next day. I'm going to color my hair, and the color that I'm using is Ginger Blonde. So it's this Cream of Nature Ginger Blonde. Now it's not going to be blonde, don't worry, don't be scared. It's not going to be blonde. It's going to be like a brownish color because my hair is dark, and I need this light color. I need this light color to get the color that I actually want. So yeah, it's not gonna be blonde like this, and I don't want it blonde like this. So we're going to try it. We're going to see. She is here to help me again because she needs to do the back of my head. So it comes with the developer, it comes with the high lift booster, and it comes with the conditioner treatment. It comes with the cream gel color, this tube, and then it comes with this little tube of argan oil.
I love that argan oil. It's good argan.
Yeah, so we're going to read the instructions.
Oh, and it comes with 2 black gloves. Like, well, not black, but like 2 gloves.
So we're gonna pour the high lift booster into the cream gel, into the cream color developer.
Don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind.
Guys, pray for me, please.
And I already should jelly the jeans off.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm about to do this.
Well, you better believe it, sister. Get run over. Oh. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, did I do something?
I mean, well, it was when we was probably.
Joy, shut up.
Put the head down.
Oh my god, look at my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna give it 25 minutes and I'm gonna see how light it is. It's 120, so I'm gonna give it to 140. I'm gonna give it 20 minutes. I'm gonna give it to 140 to see. How
See,
long?
I dyed my hair, and I actually like it.
Like what?
My hair.
No, yeah, I like that.
Like, I did this all by myself. And this is the first time that I had it up since I dyed it. I think I dyed it like 2 weeks ago. So yeah.
Alright, so I will come back and show you guys how it looks.
A few moments later.
It's been 24 minutes so far.
I feel like it's staining my shirt. I think it's the oil.
Oh.
That's not bad though. I actually like it. I actually like it. Take it all off.
Should I let it stay longer?
I
It looks
like
good.
Yeah, let it stay in a little long because you still got like a black patch. see.
So shall I leave it on longer?
I think you should leave it on a little bit longer, like another 15 minutes.
Let's do 10. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on for another 10 minutes.
I like this part.
Right? It looks like it's two-tone, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Well, that's because your streaks were blonde, and then the streaks are blended in there. But I like that brown.
Right?
You're welcome.
It makes me look spicy.
More like a mild. A lot of people don't like spicy food.
A little spice doesn't hurt anybody.
I mean, it hurts coming out.
So it's 146. So another 10 minutes.
It is hot in this room. Guys, do y'all see the glistening? She got a whole AC in the window.
You don't need the AC though. You don't need the AC. It's fine. It's not that hot. She just needs to stay still.
It's hot.
Alright, so I'm going to come back and show you the final.
You can even see, look at this part. It's
I'm
like my
excited.
hair is
I'm excited. No,
looks like when the first one I had.
I'm excited. I'm very happy with the results. So
far.
What you mean so far?
Because it can turn a crazy color.
Joy, don't say
can.
it. Alright, well, I'm going to go rinse it out then.
Why would you do that?
Because you just said it could turn a crazy color.
Dip your toe in the water. See how it feels. Do it.
I'm only going to do 10 more minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out. But I'm excited. So I consulted with Mama. I'm going to rinse it out now because it's fine. And I'm going to come back after it's all styled and all of that good stuff. And I'm going to show you the final results. But I'm super excited for the results. I'm super duper excited that I chose this color and that I tried again and didn't let the first experience discourage me. So I'm excited. So I'm going to come back. This is the final result of my color. Extremely excited about this color. I'm extremely excited and pleased that I chose this color and I chose to like give it another try because again the first color and the first brand that I tried, it did not work for me at all. And again, the color that I did use was a ginger blonde, the Cream of Nature Argan Oil one, and ginger blonde. So this is the color I ended up using. I left it on for about 25 minutes was the total that I left it on after applying it, and this is the color that it came out to. Like, I'm so excited. Can you see? Can you see my excitement? It's really good, amazing. I'm just excited. So again, the first time that I colored my hair the day before, it did not take at all, so I decided to color my hair the next day to use the Cream of Nature Ginger Blonde. But that's a decision I made for my hair, so I, wouldn't promote that. No, I wouldn't promote that because you are lifting your colors. So that's just something that I decided to do for my hair. So if you don't feel comfortable, I will wait at least 2 weeks before you even decide to dye your hair again if you don't feel comfortable with doing it. So yes, this is the final results. This is my color. I love it. It looks really good. And the parts that were blonde is a little lighter. And there's some parts that's more brown than the other parts. And I just love it. I just love the whole thing. And yes, and thank you to my sister Joy for helping me with both applications and both processes. And yes, and until next time, my lovelies, until we see each other again and we go on the journey again, always remember to stay motivated, always remember to stay inspired, and go after what you want. Go after everything that you want. Think positive thoughts, manifest what you want. Shut up the negative noise, shut up the doubts and everything that is not conducive to what you want to do. Go after what you want, be great. And until next time,